You will likely encounter the RSV extension as a Sony video recovery file or a Rescale visualization dataset. This format acts as either a saved from the brink video clip from a camera or a professional 3D data block from a cloud simulation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's determine if we are rescuing a corrupted wedding video or analyzing a fluid dynamics simulation. If you frequently deal with unusual RSV file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. On a professional Sony camera, such as the A7S III or FX3, this file is created when a recording is interrupted by a power loss or a pulled SD card. It contains the raw video data but lacks the final metadata header needed for playback. In the engineering world, it serves as a visualization output for simulations run on the Rescale cloud platform, allowing researchers to view 3D results of airflow, heat transfer, or mechanical stress without downloading massive raw datasets. The Sony version of the file functions as a raw bitstream, which is a continuous sequence of video frames written to the card in real time but left unfinalized. Rescale RSV files utilize a structured spatial partitioning protocol, where 3D data is indexed so that a remote workstation can stream specific parts of a simulation for high-speed rendering without needing to process the entire multi-terabyte volume locally. The developer of RSV 32, Rockwell Automation Inc., created the original specifications for RSV. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows typically exposes only metadata, so proper reading relies on the software built for that data type. Go to your file and right-click the RSV file, choosing Open With. If RSV 32 is an option, select it immediately. If it's unavailable, choose another. We need to test the file against all compatible programs. If your RSV file will not open yet, do not panic. We're facing a complicated RSV error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, identifying the data. Check the file size and location. A Sony recovery file will be very large, often GBs, and found on an SD card in a clip or M4 route directory. A Rescale file will be found in a results folder, on a workstation, or cloud drive. You can verify a Sony file by its timing. If it was meant to be a video but has an RSV extension and won't play in VLC, it is almost certainly a corrupted recording that needs a rebuilt header. Next, recovery and viewing. To fix a Sony video, do not just rename the file. You must use a tool like Grau Video Repair or Sony's Media File Rescue to stitch a healthy header onto the data. For simulation files, you must use the Rescale desktop or a post-processor like ParaView to turn the binary coordinates back into a 3D visual. Note that RSV files are highly proprietary and will not open in standard 3D viewers like Blender without specific plugins. Finally, repairing metadata and partial jobs. If a video recovery tool fails, it is often because it lacks a reference file. Providing the software with a healthy clip shot on the same camera will allow it to copy the correct parameters to the RSV. For Rescale users, if a visualization fails to load, check the simulation job log. If the simulation was terminated early, the RSV file might be truncated and require the force indexing option in the viewer to display the partial results. When this RSV file resists every program you own, it's likely a case of naming overlap. Because so many developers share the same extensions, your computer is essentially guessing the format. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening these ambiguous file types. When you need a guaranteed fix, FileMagick is essential. Its feature set includes instantly viewing a file's content, even when it's severely corrupted. Visit filemagick.com for details. Welcome aboard to any new viewers. If you found this helpful, click subscribe and join our community. The quick fix wins every time.